In this video, we are going to show you how to use Surfshark VPN in China. If you are in China and you want to use Surfshark VPN on your mobile device, on your PC, it's the same thing. You need to be subscribed to Surfshark or try their free trial. Now, once you have signed up and once you have signed into your account, this is the laptop or the computer version. So this is what we are going to see. So you're going to have recommended for you. You're going to have locations that are available for Surfshark. There's pretty much every country, right? If you are in China, of course you don't want to have Chinese VPN or Chinese IP address, right? So when you're here, you want to choose something that is outside of China. You might want to go Australia, not too far away, so that latency isn't terrible, or you can go to Japan. So you can go to Hong Kong is pretty close, right? You can go to South Korea, right? You can do that, or you can go to Japan. There you go, and just choose which one you want to choose. So, for example, Tokyo, and then when you click on it, it's automatically going to connect you to that IP. And as you can see here, this is going to be how you use a VPN. Use specifically Surfshark in China. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.